Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Fips. We're going to take a quick look at gods following yesterday's Bitcoin correction. From my previous video, you can see that I expected us to be in a consolidation wedge until we pushed higher and broke free of the major support resistance zone at 447. Bitcoin's correction obviously didn't help, and as we hadn't broken above, it sent us below following a period of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 hours of attempting to get through 447. I'd say that even without the Bitcoin correction, it's a strong possibility that we have taken a slight dip. Anyway, due to the fact that we've spent that long trying to break through the resistance zone, and I would have expected us to have come back to circa the 437 range, possibly even down to 426. But as we were following suit with Bitcoin, we took quite a steep nosedive. I've run a quick reverse fib chart just to see basically what's been happening, where we've been finding support and resistance, and what to look for next. So obviously we're in the bottom run of the fib channel, and I've essentially drawn this out from the high where we were trying to break through support resistance zones and to the low that we made about 8 or 9 hours ago. So we've got strong support at $4.03. We need to stay above that. We've also got historic support at 406.13, so I expect us to bounce off of that, move higher. If we go lower, I'll cover that in a second, but once we bounce and move higher and break free of 418, we should start to staircase, so in this sort of pattern, up to 426, and then back up to 434, and then back up to the 440 range. Might see some sideways action at any point during this move before we get back up to retest on that resistance future support zone, and then we'd be moving higher. I don't expect Bitcoin to take another dip or have a correction, so this I'm going to mark green. This we're going to get rid of because it's no longer valid. So that would be our move if gods is going to remain bullish. This could be more drawn out, so I don't expect it to completely follow this line, but I do expect it to make that type of move. If we're going to see another Bitcoin correction, or if gods begins a slight sell-off before we swing to the upside, what to look for would be more retesting within this fib chart and also of the $4.06, possibly down. That's a lighter resistance zone, so if we fall through there, we wouldn't stop until we get to 3.7. Now that's almost a 10% drop from where we are, so if it looks like we're moving lower, it could be worth selling your position and then purchasing back in once we've found the new low. That's all from me, really. I'll do another update in about 8 hours or so to see where we are. I did do an urgent Bitcoin update yesterday, just as the move, just as Bitcoin corrected and moved down about 2%. I covered all of the tokens, so again, this video with that one should paint a clearer picture for you all. Good luck.